Welcome back to Savvy English. In today's lesson, we're learning 5 English phrases that will help you sound more fluent, sophisticated, and natural. To tear down something means to destroy or take it apart, usually a building or wall. For example, they tore down the old theater to build a new mall. The protesters demanded that the wall be torn down. When something is fitted with a device or feature, it means it's equipped or has that thing built in. For example, the new cars are fitted with advanced safety systems. Each room was fitted with an air conditioner. To spring up means to appear or grow suddenly, often in many places. For example, small cafes are springing up all over the city. New problems can spring up when you least expect them. By its very nature means something happens naturally because of what it is. It's part of its true character. For example, art, by its very nature, is open to interpretation. The ocean, by its very nature, is unpredictable. The wave of the future refers to an idea, trend, or technology that represents what's coming next. For example, many believe renewable energy is the wave of the future. Online education is the wave of the future for many learners. Let's review. Tear down, destroy, or demolish. Be fitted with, be equipped with something. Spring up, appear, or develop suddenly. By its very nature, naturally or essentially. Wave of the future, something that represents what's coming next. Now it's your turn. Make one example for each phrase and say them aloud. The more you practice, the more natural these expressions will sound. Thanks for watching Savvy English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart English videos. See you next time.